The Namaskar pose, or Namaste gesture, is a traditional Indian salutation that signifies a gesture of respect and greeting. In this pose, one stands with feet together, bringing the palms together in front of the chest, fingers pointing upwards. It is often accompanied by a slight bow or nod of the head. Now let's explore how to do this yoga asana. Starting mountain pose. Your weight evenly distributed on all four corners of your feet. Shoulders down and back, chest open and back flat. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale and bring your hands to prayer. This simple yet profound gesture is commonly used in yoga practice, symbolizing the acknowledgment of the divine or the sacred within oneself and others. It's a way of expressing unity, humility, and the recognition of the interconnectedness of all beings. Incorporate the Namaskar pose into your practice as a respectful and mindful way to begin or end your yoga session, fostering a sense of connection and harmony. Join us at Yoga World as we explore the rich tradition and meaning behind yoga practices. Namaste.